How's it going, Midwest Coyote Pursuit? My name's Reed Ryland. I'm a Prostaffer here at Midwest Coyote Pursuit. Today we will be doing an unboxing video with the AGM Adder V2. This scope is a 50mm scope with a 640 resolution and a built-in laser rangefinder. I got to pick up this scope from 365 Thermal. Check them out, the link in the description. Wade's a great guy, he'll get you set up, what you're looking to spend and what you're looking for and willing to try out. So let's unbox this scope. As we get back into this video, we're going to dig in to this unboxing. So with this nice boxing, you look at the outside, just kind of have some codes and stuff down here. Now on this end of the box, just kind of tells us what our scope is. On the end of the box it just says that some of the stuff it includes. Some of the stuff would be like an 1,000-meter integrated laser rangefinder, an internal ballistic calculator, shot activated recording, a fast 64GB built-in storage, AGM Connect app compatibility, waterproof and shockproof, and it says that it has a 9-hour battery lifespan. So, as we dig in and open this box, there's not much on the inside besides this beautiful case. Nice handle, I can already tell, very durable. Nothing else in this box, so nice magnet, get that out of the way. So, looking at this carry case already, it's a very hard, firm case. Nice and protective, and I think my favorite part so far is just how durable this handle is. Very strong, looks very well built. So as we open this, zipper, and the first look into this scope, you can tell we have quite a bit of stuff right in here. And this nice separation. And here is the true beauty. This is the actual scope. First appearance, it is very light. I was expecting this scope to be a lot heavier. I believe this is probably lighter than my old thermal. By the way, looks, can unscrew here, and do some playing with it quick. It's where an added battery would go. Nice quick and easy screws in. And by the way it looks, this knob here I would assume is your zoom and zoom out. And on that zoom it looks like you have a menu button, so we'll have to dig into that. And then there's 3 buttons, which I like, not very many buttons to worry about having to press and mess up. I would assume, yep, one's your power on button, one is your record button, and I think this other one is probably your rangefinder button. On the side here you can see your charging port, and then as we open this up, beautiful big lens. On the top there you can see the rangefinder, it's all built in. I do like how they did this, that you can cover your rangefinder with your cap instead of it being like on the top or side or down below. That way it's being able to be hidden a little bit more and more protected from scratches or breaking or something like that. Comes with an eye cup. You got your front focus, your rear focus. So here's the beautiful AGM Adder V2 50x640 with LRF. We will begin by digging in to the rest of everything that comes in this box. Just one nice long big zipper. There's quite a bit of stuff and it's very well packaged. We'll pull everything out. So I got everything out of the nice travel case. We'll put that down below. And let's dig in. Just first off, kind of what I can tell, it comes with 2 external batteries. These are the 3200 mAh. So, comes with a case for them. Plastic case, kind of explains what they are, voltage, all that. Fairly big battery. And with this scope it comes with 2 of them. So that is nice. You can keep one in, keep one charging, plus your internal battery in your scope. So I'm already liking with the battery. So I would get nervous about stuff dying. So quite a few. Can't quite tell what this is yet. We'll start unpackaging. The way these are looking, this is a plug-in just for different outlets. So as I'm getting into these, it looks like all these just slide into your charger. And not quite for sure why they gave so many. If anyone down below knows why, I would love to know. Some very interesting plugins. I know I've seen some of these, but not all of them. So anyone that can give me that information down below, let me know, please. But this is the one I'm looking for. So slide that into place, and you got a charger. And here is your charging cord for your scope. We will undo it quick. It's a nice longer cord for sure. Go to our external. Nice charger. Just plug it in. Everything fits like a glove. So there's that. Next, looks like we have a strap. I would assume this is for the carry bag. I don't know how much I'll use the carry bag, but it's nice to know that it does come with a strap. And then this here, we just have a cleaning cloth for the lenses, so that'll be nice to keep in my night bag, just to keep my lens clean. And next, we have our rings and rail mount for the actual scope itself. It's nice, it comes with. Very solid looking. Nice to see. Beautiful mount for your gun. Very durable and heavy duty, so I won't have to worry about that. Lastly, we have ourselves a battery charger, and with the battery charger and the charging port that comes with your gun, your charging port also plugs in to your battery charger. So if we just pop these out quick, and I don't have the cord plugged in obviously, but if we pop our batteries out, they would fit in there nice. This comes with a screen, so I will be interested to plug it in. We'll plug it in just real quick, just because I am interested. And oh, this is very nice. Has a screen with how charged your batteries are, how long it's going to take. This is honestly amazing to see this. I've never seen anything like this with any other. So this is awesome to see, just to see how full your batteries are. Next, we will get you some footage and show you the scope. Thank you. How's it going, Midwest Coyote Pursuit? Here back looking through the AGM Adder V2 50x640 with the LRF. After running it this weekend for several hours, I was amazed with the quality of this product. Definitely something I'm not used to with the 640 resolution and rangefinder. A huge shout out to Wade at 365 Thermal for helping me get set up with this thermal and finding the right thing for me. Here you can see me ranging some just different things, especially this range of 776 yards. Granted, I probably will never shoot out to that, but still just amazing feature to have. Here you're going to be seeing all the different color palettes that this thermal has, and it's just unbelievable. Currently I run Black Hot, definitely my favorite. Here you're looking at some deer. You can tell that the rangefinder is not picking them up. That's just because it's well over 1,000 yards. Definitely go check Wade out at 365 Thermal. Definitely a great scope. Thank you. We're here back finishing up this amazing video on this amazing AGM Adder V2 with the LRF. This scope, I was finally able to get a good night's worth of use out of it and get a good review of what I think about this scope. Just another huge shout out to Wade at 365 Thermal for helping me find the right scope for me in my price range and just set me up with an amazing scope. So everyone should go check out 365 Thermal. Definitely get a hold of Wade if you're looking for some help deciding. Anyways, diving into this scope, it was definitely not what I was expecting. Definitely blew what I had out of it out of the radar in a very positive way. The clarity of it, the rangefinder of it, just everything I looked at, I could see perfectly clear. Very clear scope, very lightweight. That is something I really like about it. I think it comes in at 1.9 pounds, which for most people with thermals know that's a pretty light thermal in my opinion. But yes, definitely very good positive review about it. I think this is probably one of the best budget-friendly 640s with an LRF on the market. Everyone should go definitely check it out, and hopefully we have some luck with it this season. Thank you guys.